Welcome to Nature's Nest, where every bird has a story. Today we meet one of the most extraordinary hunters on Earth, the kingfisher. Every year, millions of these brightly colored birds stun onlookers with their high-speed dives. But how did this remarkable skill evolve? Join us as we travel back in time to uncover the origin story of the kingfisher, nature's master of the dive. The earliest known ancestors of kingfishers appeared over 30 million years ago during the Oligocene epoch. At this time, small plump birds with short, stubby beaks inhabited the warm, humid forests of Europe and Asia. These early birds were agile, maneuvering effortlessly through the trees and catching insects among the leaves. While they shared some similarities with today's kingfishers, they were not yet the sleek, streamlined divers we know today. Instead, these ancestors preferred to glean for food among the branches, hopping from leaf to leaf with ease. But as the Oligocene wore on, Earth's climate began to change. Waterways expanded, driven by increasing rainfall and rising sea levels. These changes had an unexpected impact on our feathered friends. Some species were content to simply follow the receding waters, seeking new hunting grounds further inland. However, a few adventurous birds took a different path. They stayed put, recognizing the rich bounty offered by these newly formed rivers. And so a handful of birds began to specialize, evolving the traits that would make them the ultimate river-dwelling hunters. These daring birds developed longer, sharper beaks, perfect for snatching slippery fish from the water. Their eyes grew keen, allowing them to spot prey from great heights. And perhaps most remarkably, they adopted a head-first dive. Technique so efficient it remains the hallmark of the kingfisher's legacy. This adaptation marked a pivotal moment in the story of the kingfisher. It set them on a trajectory to become nature's master divers, perfectly equipped to dominate the waterways worldwide. As the kingfishers perfected their diving technique, they became a successful global genus. Within a few million years, kingfishers could be found across every continent except Antarctica. But wait, there's more. The story doesn't end there. In fact, it was just beginning. Over the next few million years, kingfishers continued to diversify. They split into three main families. First, the river kingfishers, small and vibrantly colored, like the common kingfisher, with its blue back and orange breast. Then the tree kingfishers, birds of the forests and savannas, including the iconic laughing kookaburra. Finally, the water kingfishers, larger birds such as the pied kingfisher, known for their hovering ability and dramatic dives. With over 100 species today, kingfishers come in all shapes and sizes. Some, like the little bittern, barely measure 10 inches in length, while others, like the giant kingfisher, can reach up to 4 feet. Many kingfishers sport vibrant plumage, but a few, like the black woodpecker, have embraced a more subdued palette. And while some species, like the common kingfisher, are named for their fish diet, others have adapted to hunt insects, reptiles, or even small rodents. Take the collared fishing eagle, for instance. Found in the remote jungle markets of Borneo, this bird is perfectly adapted for its unique environment. Its hooked beak and powerful talons enable it to catch fish with ease. Meanwhile, its exceptional eyesight allows it to spot prey hidden beneath the water's surface. Today, after more than 30 million years of evolution, kingfishers are found in diverse habitats across the globe. From the tiniest forest streams to the vast expanse of the Amazon River. These remarkable birds have adapted to thrive in a wide range of environments. Yet despite their success, kingfishers now face a new set of challenges. Polluted rivers, deforestation, and climate disruptions threaten their survival. Some species, like the blue-banded kingfisher, are now critically endangered. So, from forest gleaners to aerial divers, the kingfisher's story is one of resilience and reinvention. Each adaptation, each evolutionary leap, brought them closer to becoming the birds we know and love today. Over 30 million years in the making, the kingfisher is truly a masterpiece of evolution. Thank you for joining us on this episode of Nature's Nest. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to uncover more bird legends shaped by time. And be sure to like and comment your favorite kingfisher species. Till next time, happy birding!